this year at Fromage, we're going to be doing our annual Christmas hamper. And we chose for you some items that, were more family style, more family oriented for the table. To start, we have our appetizers that are included in our hamper for you to choose. We have our spinach and artichoke dip that's served along with some really nice crisp baguettes. We also have our oxtail tarts. Really, you can't just have one. And we do have our smoked marlin canapes with a herb cream cheese to set the mood off right. And of course, you can't forget your wines and what we're pouring this year and making the season festive for something sparkling. Great for maybe about 6 to 8 or up to 10 people, just depending on how much family we have gathering. So we have our herb roasted chicken that's glazed with an apricot and Grand Marnier glaze that's stuffed with wild rice. And along with that, we have our honey baked ham, which is glazed with our famous spice mixture, really nice for the palate. We also have our bread pudding included in our hampers, and you don't have to feel obligated to get a whole entire hamper. So you'll be able to pick and choose from our menu that we have to offer this year, that you can tailor it to what your needs might be. If you have a non-pork eater, we have the fish, which is our roasted salmon this morning, and that's topped with a jerk crema with sun-dried tomatoes. We also have our roasted beef tenderloin, perfect for the season, with our roasted potatoes. And we also have our sweet potatoes, our candied sweet potatoes, topped with candied pecans and marshmallows. And our star is our gem salad, which has beetroots, goat cheese, apples, and candied walnuts. We also have a Bailey's Irish cream cheesecake. And we have our triple cheese mac and cheese, candied roasted carrots that's topped with an apricot glaze as well. And we do also have a few more items for appetizers, which you can pick and choose and put together. And we do have 1 or 2 new items on the menu, but those will all be featured for you to see, that you can pick and choose your times to pick up. You could pick up right before Christmas, and we have a cutoff date by the 18th of December that you can send in all your orders and have your hamper picked up this year at Fromage Brasserie.